Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video I will be featuring premium lace wigs. Big shout out to Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So today we have this gorgeous custom colored unit from Premium Lace Wigs. Big shout out to them. They never disappoint. I have a playlist with all the wigs that I've reviewed. That will be towards the end of this video, so definitely check that out. But today, let's get into this look. So let's just take the time to appreciate the fact that I was able to customize this wig completely, from the color to the parting space to the lace to the size to the length. Every single detail about this wig was customized. You're able to do this on this website. This is why they are one of my top companies when it comes to wigs. So I had an inspo picture in mind. I will insert the picture, and they executed, baby. They ate. Do you see this? Love this. So this is a body wave texture. I have to say this may be the best lace construction that I've ever received from them. Take a look at the parting space on this unit. Huge. You can do so many different styles. So I knew the style that I wanted to recreate, so we took that into consideration when choosing the lace. I'm just going to go ahead and install this. I really wanted to do a side part too, because you can do a real deep side part with this, but we had to stick to the task at hand, which was executing this look. So I used a curling iron to achieve the barrel curls. I parted the hair, put the melt band on, which was included in the package, and the finished look is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I love this color. The texture on this hair, if you could feel the texture of this hair, even after processing with color, the hair still feels good. And this holds an amazing curl, so it reacts to heat very well. The curls hold as well. So everything about this hair, the cap is a medium, but you can customize that so it fit perfect. And I just love it. So if you want to see the finished look, you want to see how I achieve this style, definitely stay tuned for the rest of the video. I will have all the details for this particular unit in the description box. Once again, thank you to Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It get plenty things kind of life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweeping room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached. So how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space. It's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. gotta. I love the view when you're in the mood. The weather's perfect when we leave. Let's make love on the cloud. Hey, you're the moonlight, baby. Baby, feel your brain dry falling down. Let's make love on the cloud. You're the moonlight, girl. It's simple. We'll go without window. We can turn the lights down low. It's the stars that make you go. We can turn the lights down low. Girl, it makes you go. Makes you go. We can turn the lights down low. It's the stars that make you go.